This is our telling time homework sheet. So I want to look at the clocks and identify the time that is shown. I know that on all my clocks, this little hand represents the hours. So it's between the 3 and the 4. It's not to 4 yet, so it is still in that 3 o'clock hour. So I'm going to start with that. Then when I look at the minute hand, I know that the minute hand is the longer hand. And when I'm talking about minutes, I need to do those counting by groups. Each set of numbers is 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20, 25, 30, 35. And if I keep going around, 40, 45, 50, 55. And then my stop is 60 or 0 is how I kind of write that. Well, this clock goes all the way around. The hand's right on that 7, which is 35 minutes. So it is 3:35. Okay, for letter B, if I look at the little hand, it's right by that 10. It's just past the 10. So I'm in the 10 o'clock hour. And if I look at that minute hand, it's one number past, which if I go back in here to double check myself, it's 5 minutes. So I need 10:05 for my minutes. Letter C, my hour hand here is between the 1 and the 2. Because it hasn't crossed the 2 yet, I go back to 1. And my minute hand goes 5, 10, 15, so 1:15. Letter D, my hour hand is really close to the 9, but it hasn't crossed that 9 yet. See how it hasn't quite touched it? So it is still in the 8 o'clock hour. And then if I count around, I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So it is 8:55. Letter E, my hour hand is that little one. It's between the 5 and the 6. Since it hasn't crossed the 6 yet, it's still the 5 o'clock hour. And my minutes go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Letter F. My minute hand is here in between the 2 and the 3. So it's still in the 2 o'clock hour. And my minutes, I can use either this clock that I numbered all the way around to help me, or I can count all the way around and I get to 45. Letter G, my hour hand is here. It's between the 12 and the 1. It hasn't crossed that 1 yet, so it's still the 12 o'clock hour. And my minutes go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So 12:40. Letter H, my hour hand is between the 7 and 8, so it's the 7 o'clock hour. And my minutes go 5, 10. And the last one, my hour is between the 6 and the 7. Since it's not at 7 yet, it's still the 6 o'clock hour. And my minutes go 5, 10, 15, 20. So 6:20. That is our telling time homework sheet.